warning for western Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, east central St. Charles County, St. Louis County, St. Louis City in east central Missouri, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Maryland Heights, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Maryland Heights, Bridgeton, Champ, Creve Coeur, Olivet, Chesterfield, Ladue, Town and Country, St. Charles, and Westwood around 12:30 p.m. Woodson Terrace, Edmondson, Breckenridge Hills, St. Anne, St. John, Lambert, St. Louis International Airport, Overland, Charlotte, Sycamore Hills, and Veneta Park around 12:35 p.m. Ferguson, Cool Valley, Normandy, Kinloch, Berkeley, Delwood, Bellerith, Norwood Court, Belridge, and Calverton Park around 12:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Mitchell and Polk. This includes the following state parks: Scott Joplin Historic Site, Castlewood State Park, Confluence State Park, First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site, and Horseshoe Lake State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 9 and 23. Interstate 55 in Illinois near exit 23. Interstate 70 in Missouri between